Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ombre hair look on Dress to Impress. We're only going to be using 4 items. So the first one, we are going to use the spiky hair and the no bangs toggle. Position the Z to 0.48 and scale it to 0.53. Start with your darkest color and save that. Then select this hair in like a tone lighter than the one here. Position the Y to 0.47, Z 0.46, and scale it to 0.45. Then grab this hair and then again color it a tad bit lighter than the second one. And then use this hair and do it like the lightest color. You can even go even lighter than that. I'm actually going to do that. In the no bangs toggle, position the Y to 0.46, Z to 0.52, rotate the X to 0.52, and that is it. That is how you can create your ombre hair on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.